Hello, so a customer sent in this Jasper 1 GB board. There are the stickers and the part number if you're interested. And he sent it to me because there has been an idiot involved on this system. Let's take a closer look here. And you can see that somebody has done some thingies to the GPU here. We got this nasty flux all over the place, and the GPU is destroyed! It's popcorned! Who is doing this? I don't understand how these people do this to their consoles. If you're so incompetent, you shouldn't even be trying these things. Really don't get it. Yeah, so that GPU definitely needs to be replaced. And there's also a bunch of flux around the CPU, so it's possible the CPU is up in smoke as well, and needs to be replaced. So this is a sad story, and I'm hoping that CPU isn't up in smoke, but if it is, I'll have to replace it. But I mean, come on, man, there was probably nothing even wrong with that GPU. The worst thing that probably happened to this console is it may have been bricked. And now it needs a GPU as well because of an idiot. That's very sad. Well, I'll have to get on this, and maybe I'll make a video about repairing it if y'all are interested in that. Let me know.